Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a clean with me in my bedroom and my bathroom, and we're also going to be decorating my bedroom for fall. So as you can see, my room is a super mess, but we're going to be fixing that soon. So I picked up these two tall boy dressers off Facebook Marketplace. They match the one that's under my TV in my bedroom, so I figured I would get them for the price. You couldn't beat it. But now that they're in here, I think they're taking up a little bit too much space. So I'm going to try something that most people probably wouldn't try. It might look a little bit weird, but we're just going to see what happens. So let's get started.
Keep on driving and driving along the roads and never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Again, like I said, this is something that most people probably wouldn't think to do, but in the end, I think it turns out all right. I don't know if I'm going to keep it here, but y'all let me know down in the comments if you think it looks crazy. Alright, so I'm going to put this rug up underneath the bed a little bit. I just think it would look better. I wanted to do more, but there is a little pole in the middle of the bed that you can't see. It was making it a little bit challenging for me. So for now, this is all I can do. Y'all, Salem is in a mood today. She is all over the place. She's wanting to play and attack. This candle had the whole house smelling good. My whole house was smelling like pumpkin pecan waffles. Alright, so I'd like to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to WalkingPad for sending over this awesome treadmill, y'all. I'm absolutely loving it. I've had it for about a week now, and it's honestly the best treadmill I've ever owned. I can't wait to use this every day for my weight loss journey. So as you can see, it's very easy to put together. Once you take it out of the box, you just unfold it, plug it in, and you're ready to go. It also comes with a little remote so you can adjust your speed. And the super cool feature is once you're done, you can fold it back up and store it anywhere because it's very small and very convenient. If you're in the market for a treadmill, please go down below and check out my link and check out WalkingPad. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Again, y'all, thank you so much for sending this over. I really do appreciate it. So making our way over to the bathroom, a lot of people's been asking how we did these shower doors. So I'm going to pop up some images of what we purchased and how we did this. This is all you'll need this lattice molding. Then you're going to need some this Loctite glue. and then you're going to need some black spray paint. Then you're just going to cut it to size, and we missed a spot there, but yeah, cut it to size and you're good to go. It's easy peasy. Alright, so I decided to try the trend where people are stripping their laundry. Today I'm going to be doing my towels. You're going to want to stick around and watch this. While I was watching some of the reviews on this, a lot of people are saying that they think it's the dye that makes the water so nasty. But I believe it's maybe a mixture of both the dye and just some built-in grime and just some old laundry detergent that's stuck in your clothes. So we're going to give it a try and see how my water turns out. So you're going to want to mix all these ingredients into super hot water. Then you're going to throw in your towels or your laundry. Let it sit for about 6 hours is what they recommend. We did ours for about 4, but I think it got the job done. You'll see whenever you see my water here in a few minutes. We're going to keep checking in and I'll show you the progress. So here's the results after 1 hour. I'm going to give it a quick stir and let it sit for about 3 more hours. But look at all that stuff in the water, y'all. Like I was saying, some people are thinking it's just the dye, but I do believe that's some dirt and stuff, because just look at it. And not to mention, this was fresh laundry, so that's kind of scary. But we'll come back in about 3 hours. Okay, y'all, so my reaction is pretty much like every other person that I've watched. This is disgusting, and you think your clothes are really clean, but I guess they're not. That's why people do this method. Anyway, after you take them out of this, just run them through a hot cycle in your washing machine, and I promise you, your towels will feel so much softer, and they will smell so clean.